Little kitty is very angry. Since little kitty has a cone on his head. He's actually biting me. The anger. This cat is really mad. Alright, Stop it, kitty. Stop it. There you go. You're not hurting your jaw anymore. This cat is pissed. Oh look, now you're licking my finger. Oh, now you're biting me. Now you're licking me. Nope, now you're biting me. Make up your mind. Are you trying to show me love, or you're just trying to bite my hand off? Huh? Angry kitty. Oh, look at that poor cat. There you go. Now you have a place to rest your head. I was giving you like a little pillow. You can't have a pillow, and you're biting me, kitty. Why are you biting me? You look so cozy, and then bites me. There you go, kitty. Now you're nice and calm.